So first impressions on feet, feels very uncomfortable, really solid. It's the leather.
You so fucking precious when you smile. Yeah. Hit it from the back and drive you wild.
All right guys, so we have the Alexander McQueen sneaker in all white. I decided to pick these up from Essence. They're having like a huge sale right now. If you guys want to shop anything, literally up to 70% off. The link will be down below. Best time to buy designer. Don't ever pay full price for this kind of stuff, man. Trust me, it's just not worth it. Even getting these, like, I don't know yet. Retail was $740. Retail. Like, bro, why? You know what I'm saying? Like, why? These sneakers look cool. And we're gonna kind of give a breakdown. I'm gonna give you my first thoughts and just how I kind of feel about them. They were about 40% off. I did end up going with a size 45, which is a US 12. You guys can see on the box, Essence 45, white. Pretty cool box. I mean, all these luxury brands always come, or designer brands, always come with like great presentation. I wasn't actually expecting the box to be so nice. I don't know why, just not what I expected. Then we have these dust bags, okay. Some good paper. They definitely make it super luxurious. And boom, here are the shoes. Really simple. I don't think these are that like, just like I just don't see it. I don't know why these cost so much. I get it, they're made in Italy, nice Italian leather, brand image, blah, blah, blah. They look dope, right? I mean, it's a cool shoe. It has its own little swang, you know what I mean? But like, I could go to Nordstrom's rack and find something very similar to this and probably pay like $50. So, I mean, I guess what I want to say, this review is coming from someone who's not like hardcore, oh, Alexander McQueen, like $800. No, I'm just your regular dude that buys a lot of shoes and giving you my breakdown on how I feel about these. They do look dope. I'm a sucker for all white sneakers. I love the embroidery throughout the back of the sneaker. You have the Alexander McQueen almost embossed with this like silver, essentially like a foil material. And you have Alexander McQueen on the front of the tongue. Now, what I've heard about these is go true to size. I do love the sole too. That looks pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. So what I've been hearing about these is there's two major concerns. They're really not that comfortable. It's one of those things that you do have to break in, and after, you know, a certain amount of time, obviously, they're gonna feel more comfortable. Second is this tongue digging into like the front of your foot, like right here, digging into there and actually cutting some people. So this is definitely not a sneaker that you just pull up to the mall and, you know, buy and then just wear out. Or, you know, like you're going on a vacation with your girl or the homies and you're like, oh, let me stunt real quick, pull out the Alexander McQueens that I just purchased yesterday and wear them out all night. You're probably gonna be messed up. I think this is a shoe that you have to buy, wear a lot, keep them clean, which should be easier. It is white leather. A lot of people think it's so hard to keep white sneakers clean, but it's really not. Like, just take care of your stuff, especially when you're spending this kind of money. But I would imagine people that are dropping $800 on these don't really care, just being honest. Well, here we have both of the shoes. Like I said, I did go true to size, little stupid card, all that good stuff. Comes with the extra set of laces, which I mean is nice, because one thing is once you get your laces ruined, it's honestly a wrap. You're not really gonna fix those. Now I did realize this must be some type of special edition with the embroidery on the back, because most of the sneakers don't actually retail at the $740 price point. I'm pretty sure you can get them around like under $600, which, bro, is still so absurd. Like, I get the whole resale market, you know, people buy shoes that sold out and then, you know, they're worth a lot more after the fact, but these right off the rip, bro, they're hitting you over the head. Like, at least I can wear these and still probably sell them for as much as I paid. Once you wear these, kiss that $600, $700, $800 goodbye. And the reason is because there's a lot of fakes in the market. So this is a shoe that you fully need to be committed to when purchasing. You can have the receipt, all the proof in the world that they're the real deal, but there's so many fakes in the market that people are really wary on buying in the aftermarket. And it's not like it's a limited sneaker. You can pull up to Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom's, anywhere, and most likely just pick these up and be good to go. Something to really pay attention to. I highly recommend going into the store and trying them on first before buying them online. I just did that because I wanted to give you guys a review, and to a lot of people that are interested in purchasing these. You know, if you want to buy them, nothing wrong with that. Let's go ahead and go to the on foot. So I also picked up these homemade plissé Issey Miyake pants from Essence. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on just because this combo together is just deadly. Don't get me wrong, Alexander McQueen's are extremely tough. It's a cool sneaker. Obviously there's a huge market for them. I don't want to say it was like the trendy thing, but it's just a level of elevated fashion. I have nothing wrong with that. This just isn't a shoe that kind of appeals to everyone. Not everyone has $600-700 to buy on one pair of white sneakers when you could get multiple pairs of something very similar for much cheaper, man. There's definitely a lot of affordable options out there, and honestly I would like to explore them. Sometimes you just got to see like what's the hype about. Why does everyone love these so much? Is it because they look good on feet? I mean, they can't be that comfortable. We got the no-show socks, boom, foot right in there. Yeah, definitely go true to size if you do decide to pick them up. We're gonna go with just a quick little lacing here. So first impressions on feet. Feels very uncomfortable, really solid. It's the leather. Typically with genuine leather, as you wear it, it'll start to expand and it'll become more comfortable. I can feel the tongue digging into my heel right now, but it's actually not too bad. If you really wanted to, you could get like some clamps and bend the tongue overnight and it would probably fix that. They're definitely a statement piece. Yeah, I mean, bro, they look pretty cold on feet. My lacing's not the best, but with the Issey Miyake pants, the way they drop down, wow. Yeah. They look good, and now I'm like 6'5" with these things on. They low-key kind of remind me of like some Jordan 2s, the way the aesthetic looks. I love this all white. It's just tough because you're spending so much money on these, and you know, whether you are extremely careful or not, things are gonna happen to sneakers like this. So it's definitely a luxury purchase, almost like an entertainment purchase, I wanna say, because you could spill something detrimental on these and it's over with, but wow. I mean, they look good. Wearing these, seeing them on feet, I get it. They're a nice shoe. I'm not gonna take that from anyone. If you like these, I definitely say they're a cop. If you can afford these, I definitely say they're a cop. It's a very clean, just all white sneaker. I like the look of it. It goes crazy with these pants though, man. Let me tell you, wow. Yeah, I don't even know what to say, man. Like I was expecting to just be like, nah, man, I don't think they're worth the price whatsoever, but they are dope. If you can get these discounted, I would run it. So let me know what you guys think, man. How many of you guys have the Alexander McQueen sneakers? And what do you think of them, man? What are the pros and the cons? I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. I hope I answered any questions you may have in this video. Just to go over some things, go true to size on these. They're not very comfortable immediately, but most likely when you wear them, your foot will kind of shape them as the leather stretches. As far as the tongue issue, you know, it's not really bothering me too much. This one kind of seems to have some padding, so I'm not really too concerned about that. For me, honestly, if they could just lower the price, it would just be a better look, you know what I mean? But I get it. It's kind of like a weird status thing. Oh, you have the Alexander McQueen shoes. Those must have been a lot. But in reality, nobody cares. Nobody knows. They just look like a plain pair of white sneakers that cost $50. So those are my thoughts, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it.